What's up, guys? Zeb here. Today we're going to be talking about 4 businesses that you can do from home and you can start today. If that's something you want to hear more about, then stay with me throughout this video. What's up, guys? Today we're going to be talking about 4 businesses you can start for under $100 working from home, and you can start as early as today. But before we get started, let me introduce myself. My name is Zeb Summers. I'm an online entrepreneur. I talk about make money online, affiliate, internet, digital marketing, and I'm here to help you through your journey to a laptop lifestyle so you can get some freedom in your life. Now, if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that little notification bell to be notified when these videos come out, and if you find that you get some value out of this video, give me a like. If you have any comments, let me know what you like, what you don't like, what you'd like to see in the future, and I'll make that happen. And if you have any questions about today's content, post them down below and I'll be happy to answer them. All right, now if you're more interested in a passive income, one that can earn all day, all night, and can change your entire life, click the link in the description, my #1 recommended make money online method, and click that link and I'll send you some information. All right, let's get on with today's video, talking about the 4 businesses that you can earn and get started today. All right, the first business is TutorMe. So TutorMe.com is a tutoring company. Now, this is a great place to go if you have any kind of skills. You don't even have to be you don't have to be a teacher, you don't have to be anything like that, right? So say you are pretty good at math and you want to tutor elementary school kids. All right, so there's opportunities here to tutor all kinds of people, all different grades going through school. All right, so you can earn up to $18 an hour plus bonuses. All right, so you're basically helping people do things that you already know, right? So maybe somebody's having trouble in algebra and you know algebra real well, or somebody's having trouble in English and you know English real well. So guys, there's a talent that you may have that you're not even thinking about that you can earn money. $18 an hour plus bonuses here, all right? So that's really good money. There's people earning $50,000 a year doing online tutoring. So just go check this out. This site is called tutorme.com. And right here you can see the different subjects, tons of them. All right, guys, so come in here and check out what you need to do to get started. You got a flexible schedule. You can start this as early as today. You can just go ahead and set this thing up now. All right, so this is the prices that people pay for this. All right, so go ahead and start enjoying money for talents and skills that you have that you're not even using. All right, that is tutorme.com for the first business that you can start. The next one is called Cardpool. Now this one is not really a business. This is a way that you can actually get money selling gift cards. So I just threw this one in as a bonus because you may need money today that you don't, and you have a bunch of stupid gift cards laying around that you don't really want. You might have a gift card to Chili's or a gift card to, Outback that you don't want to use, that you just want cash for, right? So this company actually gives you cash for your gift cards up to 80% of what the gift card is worth, all right? So you may have a $50 gift card to Outback and they'll give you 80% of that. So that's just a good throw in extra, make money right now type. I wouldn't say it's a business. It's just a make money online opportunity here. All right. The next one is affiliate marketing. So you can start a business out of affiliate marketing. That's what I do. You can make really good money out of affiliate marketing. There's many companies you can do this. You can be an affiliate marketer for Amazon. You could be an affiliate marketer for ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Max Bounty. That's just to name a few. All right. So get out there and become an affiliate. So you can get onto Amazon, sign up as an affiliate, and share reviews on YouTube or in a blog about a product that you like. Maybe you're cooking a recipe and you recommend a crock pot or a skillet or a special knife. All right. So there's different ways that you can actually be making money being an affiliate for a product on Amazon. And the higher the price of the product, the more money you're going to get. you get up to like 10%, all right, for Amazon. So that is Amazon affiliate, ClickBank for digital products. There's tons of products on ClickBank that you can actually use. You can start a blog for just a few dollars actually. You can get a domain and get a blog hosted for under $100 to start promoting these things on a blog. All right? And you can get started on that today. And you can check out my channel for many different opportunities to learn for free in a bunch of videos I've done already. All right, guys. The next one is TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit is probably my favorite site, and this one is actually a place where you can go to sell your services. Say you're a handyman, but you don't have a whole bunch of skills in carpentry, but you could hang a ceiling fan, or you could change a faucet, or you know you can hang up a TV, or you could just help somebody move. Whatever it is, there is tons of jobs out here for you to do, and all you have to do is advertise it and go start becoming a vetted person on TaskRabbit. You can make a lot of money through TaskRabbit. People work full time here, right? So just like this one, mount a TV or mirror. You can make up to $100 for mounting a TV. Just make $50 to mount a mirror. All right, assemble a desk or a table, move boxes, clean a bathroom or kitchen. Just really simple stuff. Anybody can clean. All right. Anybody in the world can clean and you can make some money. All right. So start thinking of ways to make money. If you're sitting at home and you've been broke, or you need some extra money to go buy this new product, or you want to join this business opportunity but you don't have the money, you keep coming up with excuses that you don't have money, join TaskRabbit and clean some bathrooms, clean a kitchen, clean somebody's house, move some boxes, hang a mirror. All right. So these are just ways that you can make money at home easily. All right. I'm going to throw one in here. I'm going to throw a fifth one in here. You could go to Uber or Lyft. All right. Become an Uber driver or a Lyft driver. All right. Get If you have a car, there is no reason why you can't be doing this kind of stuff and making money on the side. You could be working and maybe drive for 2 hours a night and make some extra money to make the extra income to buy something that you really want. All right. That's just another avenue where you can actually be, maybe you just got laid off, but you have a car. You can make money from that car by driving people around. All right. So just think of different ways to make money. There are so many different ways to earn. It's crazy out there, all right? So that was my 4 businesses for under $100 that you can start today and work from home. All right? Hopefully you got some value out of this video. Again, if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Give me a like. Let me know if you got some value from this video. Let me know if you like it, don't like it, would like to see something different. Just post it down below. Now, if you are interested in that passive income, make sure you click the link down below. My #1 recommended make money online method. Just click that link and I'll send you some more information. All right, guys. Peace out. I hope you have a great day.